how to delete and remove your account on Epic Games PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to delete your account, just go to Epic Games. Now click on Unreal Engine right here, and now go down, click on your name and click on manage account right here. Now after you click on manage account, it will take you directly to this page right here. You will find your account informations and general settings. All what you have to do is scroll all the way down like this until you find delete account option and click request account delete. As you can see, it's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.